Good morning, all of you. Today's our topic is exercise 2 for JEE NEET. Okay, for chapter number 1, that is solid state. So let us begin. So the question number 1, select right statement. There are four options they have given, and we need to select the correct option. Okay, which is the right one. So option A is 8 CS plus ions occupy the second nearest neighbor locations of cesium plus ion. Option B, each sphere is surrounded by 6 voids in two-dimensional hexagonal close-packed layer. Option C, if the radius of the cations and anions are 0.3 angstrom and zero point 0.4 angstrom, then the coordinate number of cation of the crystal is 6. In AgCl, option 4, in AgCl, the silver ion is displaced from its lattice position to an interstitial position. Such a defect is called as a Frenkel defect. So there are four options what they have given, okay? And out of these all, we need to select the correct statement. It may be one, it may be more than two, okay? So here, in this case, the we can say that the 6CS plus 1 ion, second nearest neighbor, there, here you can see the diagram that R plus upon R minus is equal to 0.75 when it is BCC, body center cubic. So the coordination number will be the true. Okay. So the statement is each sphere is surrounded by 6 void in two-dimensional hexagonal close-packed layer. Each sphere is surrounded by 6 void. Okay, is the correct answer for that. Okay. After that, the question number 2, the compound having general formula M plus 2, Fe2O4 minus 2 are called as, see, this is yesterday only we have done. Yesterday in the morning session, the same question, it was there, it is the ferrites. Option A, ferrite is the correct answer for this. Okay. Question number 3, which of the following statement is or are incorrect in the rock salt structure if an ionic compounds? So there are four options which are available. Option A, coordination number of cation is 4, whereas that of anion is 6. Second option, coordination number of cation is 6, whereas that of anion is 4. Then third option, coordination number of each cation and anion is 4, whereas the fourth option, coordination number of each cation and anion is 6. So coordination number of cation is 6 and coordination number of anion is 6. Option D is the correct answer for it. Okay. The incorrect for rock salt we have to. Okay. After that, which of the following statements are correct? Which of the following statements are correct? The coordination number of each type of ion in CaCl is 8. Option B, a metal that crystallizes in BCC structure has a coordination number of 12. Option C, a unit cell of an ionic crystal shares some of its ions with the other unit cells. Whereas option D, the length of the unit cell is in NaCl is 552 picometer. Whereas for sodium, 95 picometer, and for chloride ion, the 181 picometer, the radius they have given. Okay. So the correct statement, we need to select it. So in the correct one, R plus, R minus, if you do the addition of this, it is A by 2. So 95 plus 181, what they have given, okay, for both 95 and 181 is equal to A by 2. The ratio they have given, the addition they have given, okay. So in that, make a subject to A. So A is equal to 276 multiplied by 2, it would be. So the value of A would be 552 picometer. Okay. So option D is the correct answer for it. Okay. Then question number 5. In element A, their atomic weight is 100, having BCC structure, has a unit cell edge length they have given, that is 400 picometer. Calculate the density of A. A की density हमें calculate करनी है. Okay. So there are 4 options: 5.188 gram per centimeter cubic centimeter, then 2.188 gram cubic centimeter, then 4.188 gram cubic centimeter, and 5.4 gram cubic centimeter. Okay. Atomic weight they have given, their edge length they have given, and density we have to calculate it. Okay. So A is equal to 400 picometer, convert them into the centimeter. So it is 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. The BCC is their body center cubic unit cell. From that, capital Z value we can be aware, that is Z is equal to 2. Okay, so density is equal to Z multiplied by M upon A cube into Na. Now keep all the values. Z की value 2 है, M की value जो है 100 ग्राम they have given. Okay, so upon A cube, that is 4 into 10 raised to minus 8 whole cube, multiplied by Na is 6.0223 into 10 raised to 23. Okay, 200 न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर में सभी का जो आप टोटल निकालोगे तो इट इज 38.54. Okay, and then power 8 3 is a 24, it will be minus and 23. Okay, so minus 1 will be remaining, that will be forwarded in the answer. Okay, so 5.188 gram cc, okay, is the correct option for it. That is option A is the correct answer. Then question number 6, the composition of sample of woostite in is Fe 0.93 O 1.0, then what percentage of iron is present in the form of Fe plus 3 ion, Fe3? Okay, so 15.05 percentage, 25.05 percentage, 35.05 percentage, or none of the above three. इसमें से कोई भी एक भी नहीं. Okay, there are 4 options they have given. So here, if you see that the Fe hash O they have given, that is 93.93 multiplied by 100, if you will do, then you will be getting 93. 1 for oxygen, 1 they have given, so 1 multiplied by 100, if you do, you will be getting 100. So for oxygen it is 100 percentage. Now let Fe3 should be taken it as a x, उसकी वैल्यू हम x ले रहे हैं. So total Fe2 जो है, that would be 93 minus x. Okay, so balancing the charge, we have to x multiplied by 3 plus उनका एडिशन करोगे 93 minus x multiplied by 2 से. Okay, and on the right hand side 100 multiplied by 2 for the percentage. So value of x you can got it, that is 14 by solving this equation. So percentage of Fe3 is 14 divided by total is 93 multiplied by 100. Okay, so you'll be getting 15.05 percentage for Fe3. Okay, 15.05 percentage. Okay, so that is option A is the correct answer for it. Option A. Okay. Then question number 7. RBI crystallize in BCC structure in which each Rb plus is surrounded by 8 iodide ions. Each of radius is 2.17 angstrom. Then find the length of one side of RBI unit cell in angstrom. So 4.34 angstrom, 2.34 angstrom, 4.44 angstrom, or 9.34 angstrom. There are four options what they have given. Okay, BCC structure they have given. Okay, RBI is Rb plus rubidium is surrounded by 8 iodide ions. That much they have said, and the radius of which they have given 2.17. Then find the length of one side of RBI unit cell. Okay, that much we need to calculate it. So Rb plus upon R minus is equal to 0.732. Yesterday in a tabulated form, this formula I have given already. Okay, so Rb plus is equal to 0.732 into R minus, that is 2.17. So it would be 1.59 angstrom. Okay, now A into root 3 into A is equal to root 2 Rb plus Rb minus. So A is equal to 2 root 2, 1.59 plus 2.17. So if you simplify this, you'll be getting 4.34 angstrom. That is your option A is the correct answer. Okay, option A, 4.34 angstrom is the correct answer for it. Okay, after that, question number, yes, now see there are few problems of JEE related. I have taken it over here. Okay, the question which has been asked in the JEE main exam. Okay, such questions we have taken it. Okay, so let us see that also. Okay, now paragraph for question number 8 to 10. So see here they have given the complete paragraph. पूरा पैराग्राफ दिया है और उसके बाद में आपको तीन क्वेश्चन दिए 8, 9 एंड 10. ठीक है, सो ये पैराग्राफ इज गोइंग टू हेल्प ओवर देयर. तो पैराग्राफ बहुत अच्छे से सबसे पहले तो पढ़ना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो लेट अस सी दैट इन अ हेक्सागोनल सिस्टम ऑफ क्रिस्टल a frequently encountered arrangement of atom is described as hexagonal prism. Here, the top and bottom of the cell are regular hexagons and three atoms are sandwiched in between them. Whereas a space-filling model of this structure is called HCP structure. So HCP, hexagonal close-packed structure they have given over here, okay, is constituted of a sphere on flat surface surrounded in the same plane by 6 identical spheres as closely are possible. Three spheres are then placed over the first layer so that they touch each other and represent the second layer. Each one of these three spheres touches three spheres of the bottom layer. Finally, the second layer is covered with third layer that is identical to the bottom layer in relative position. Assume the radius of every sphere, okay, to be the r. So on the first layer we have kept the second layer, on second layer we have kept the third layer. Okay, likewise an HCP structure they have given, hexagonal close packed structure, and for that little bit explanation they have given in this complete paragraph. Okay, now let us solve the question. Yes, question number 8. The number of atoms in the HCP unit cell is JEE 2008. They have asked this question. There are four options: 4, 6, 12 and 17. When HCP structure is there, number of atoms in that, how to calculate it? 12, that is 12 AGs are there. HCP structures are there, so 1 upon 6th portion will be covered. So multiplied by 1 upon 6. Okay, then 2 multiplied by 1 upon 2 in Number of units, number of atoms per unit cell, plus 3. So over here, if you simplify this, 6 2s are 12. Okay, so 2 1s are 2, 2. Then after that, 2 2 cut. So there 1 would be there and 3. So 3 plus 1, that is 4, and plus 2. Okay, so the answer would be 6. So option B, the 6 is the correct answer. Okay, very easy question they've asked. Okay, now question number 9. The volume of this HCP unit cell is JW 2008. Volume of this HCP unit cell. Okay, this is very interesting question. There are 4 options what they have given. 24 inside square for 24 square root 2 outside the square root r cube. Then 16 inside the square root 2 outside r cube. 12 inside the square root 2 r cube. And option D is 64 upon 3 root 3 r cube. Okay, there are 4 options they have given. Now let us solve this. See here, the A, in case of the HCP, when you draw the diagram of HCP structure, the value of A, it would be 2R. So the volume is 6 multiplied by root 3 upon 4 into A square multiplied by 4R upon inside the square root 2 upon root 3. Inside the square root only, 2 upon 3. So if you simplify this, it would be 24 2 inside the square root r cube. So the volume is 6 inside the square root 3 r square multiplied by 4r inside the square root 2 upon 3. Still, if you simplify this, you will be getting 24 root 2 into r cube. So your option A is the correct answer for it, 24 square root 2 r cube. ये बहुत बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है. ओके, ये बहुत बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है. ठीक है, ऐसे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, then question number 10. The empty space in this HCP unit cell is JW 2008. Once again, they've asked this question. The empty space in HCP, empty space, not covered space. बहुत ध्यान रखना है. Okay, empty space they have asked. Okay, अगर covered space packing efficiency पूछा गया हो HCP का तो वो 74% होता है. Okay, but then empty space in HCP they have asked. Okay, तो empty space calculate करते चलिए. Packing efficiency is equal to pi upon 3 root 2. So it would be 0.74 multiplied by 100 करोगे तो 74% हो जाएगा. इवन ये क्वेश्चन भी है थियोरेटिकल थियरी में जो हमने किया हुआ है. ठीक है, सो एम्प्टी स्पेस 100 में से 74 को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो तो 100 माइनस 74 करोगे तो आपको 26% मिल जाएगा. मतलब कि ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. बहुत ध्यान रखना है, यहाँ पे आपको एम्प्टी स्पेस पूछा गया है, पैकिंग स्पेस नहीं पूछा है. ठीक है, तो ये चीज आपको एक बार माइंड में घुसानी पड़ेगी. ठीक है, सो दिस इज व्हाट द 10th क्वेश्चन. आफ्टर दैट 11 नंबर क्वेश्चन, जो पैराग्राफ का रिलेटेड जो क्वेश्चन था, ठीक है, दैट इज 8 9 एंड 10 वो खत्म हो गए. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेक्स्ट सेशन, दैट इज 11th क्वेश्चन. द एज लेंथ ऑफ यूनिट सेल. ओके, the age length of a unit cell of metal having the atomic weight of 75 gram per mole is 5 angstrom, which crystallize in a cubic lattice. If the density is 2 gram per cc, then find the radius of metal atom. The value of Na they have given 6 into 10 raised to 23. Give the answer in A. Means in A matlab in angstrom, not in picometer, not in centimeter, not in meter. They've asked for the in angstrom. So there are four options: 2.165 angstrom, then 2.265 angstrom, then 3.165 angstrom, and 4.165 angstrom. So let us solve this. See, density they have given 2, then Z, the formula of density we need to use Z multiplied by the atomic weight they have given 75 divided by Avogadro number, okay, 6 into 10 raised to 23 upon 125 into 10 raised to minus 24. So if you make a subject to Z, then 2 into 125 into 10 raised to minus 24 multiplied by 6 into 10 raised to 23 upon 75. So value of Z would be 20 into 10 raised to minus 1. So it would be 2. So Z is equal to 2. BCC structure is there. So now from BCC structure, the formula is root 3 into A upon 4 is equal to R. So root 3 into 5 upon 4. If you simplify this, okay, then you will be getting 2.165 angstrom. Okay, that is option A, 2.165 angstrom. Okay. After that, question number 12 in JEE 2005, they have asked the question: an element crystallized in FCC lattice having edge length, they have given 400 picometer. Calculate the maximum diameter which can be placed in the interstitial site without disturbing the structure. Means we don't have to disturb the particular structure and then we have to place it, the maximum diameter, the interstitial site without disturbing the structure. So 117.09, 217.09, 117.09. See here there are two options. Maybe in a typing errors are there. And then at the last 157.09. Okay. So the FCC structures are there. Root 2 into A is equal to 4R. So R minus is equal to root 2. The value of A they have given into 400 upon 4. So root 2 into 100, the maximum diameter octahedral void R plus upon R minus is equal to 0.414. So there if you make a subject to R plus, it is 117.09. R minus we have calculated. R minus की value हमारे पास है root 2 into 100. Okay, so root 2 into 100 into 0.414 कर दोगे, you will be getting the answer, that is 117.09. Okay, 117.09. So यहाँ पे दो ऑप्शन सेम हो गए, मे बी इन टाइपिंग एरर इट वुड बी देयर. ओके, सो ए और सी दोनों एक ही जैसे है, तो उसमें से कोई भी ऑप्शन आप सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो. ओके, then JEE 2005, which of the following FCC structure contains cations in alternate tetrahedral void? NaCl, ZnS, Na2O, CaF2. The ZnS, there is zinc sulfide, zinc blend also you can call it. Anion occupy the CCP or FCC structure. The cation occupy the alternate tetrahedral voids. So the answer is zinc blend or ZnS, या फिर zinc sulfide also you can say. Okay. Question number 14. A substance AXBY crystallized in FCC lattice, in which atoms A occupy each corner of the cube and atom B occupy the center of each face of the cube. Identify the correct composition of the substance AXBY. JEE 2002, they have asked this question. AB3, A4B4, A3B, or composition cannot be specified. There are four options what they have given. So A is equal to 1 upon 8 into 8. So 8 cut, it would be 1. For A occupy each corner of the cube, they have said on that basis we have done this. And for B, what they have said, occupy atoms, and B occupy the center of each face. So for the same, 6 multiplied by 1 upon 2. So 2 3s are 6, it would be 3. So A1B3 means AB3 is the correct option, option A. Okay, AB3 is the correct answer for it. Okay, that's all for today. Okay, we'll be keeping it till here, and in next session, now in afternoon session is not there. Okay, so tomorrow in the morning once again we'll be continuing. Okay, in this if you have any doubt you can ask me.